Hi, I'm Lashon and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. It's me, Lashon, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me here once again. It's going to be a beautiful day today here in Jacksonville, Florida. It's 70 degrees. That's right, 70 degrees. Absolutely beautiful. And I hope and pray that it's beautiful wherever you are. Okay, now, if you're new here, at the very beginning of my videos, I always tell a very small snippet about myself, just a little bit, just so you'll know who I am. Okay, my name is Lashon. I am the mother, the divorced mother of 3 adult children, 2 boys and a girl. Their ages are 22, 24, and 30. That's right, I am an empty nester because I have 3 adults and they are all out and about living their lives. No grandbabies yet. I'm still waiting. Now, also, I'm a United States Navy veteran and I'm very proud of that. Also, I am a surgical tech. That's right, a certified surgical tech, and I did that for many, many years. And then at the very end of my career, I did labor and delivery. So I've done a lot in my 52 years. I'm very grateful and I'm very proud of everything I've ever done, both good and bad. So that's it. That's my life in a little small nutshell. And now I am here on YouTube full time. That's right. And what I try to do here on any given day is I try to uplift, I try to encourage and inspire as many people as I can because you can do anything that you put your mind to. Okay, so today's video is simple. I am frugal and I am a minimalist. And if you come around here, you're going to see that I always clip coupons, I always meal plan, and I don't waste anything. That's right, I eat anything, just about. I don't put anything to waste because it's just wasteful and I just won't do it. I just won't do it. Okay, so today's video is meal planning. Now, I know what you're saying. What is meal planning? Or I've never meal planned before. It's real simple. All you have to do is decide what you need from the store. Okay, the very first thing you do is you go into your cabinets in the kitchen. You take a mental note. You see what you have. You see if you got rice and mashed potatoes and all those things and ketchup and mustard. You see what you have already so you won't duplicate. Okay? And you see what you need. Next, you look in the freezer, and this is the best part, is the meats, because you're trying to use what you already have. So if you already got ground beef and chicken, then don't get ground beef and chicken. You might want a different part of the chicken, but I tell you, if you stick to what you have in the freezer, you can save money monthly on your grocery bill. So if you already got certain meats in the freezer, don't duplicate. Now, time to go to the bottom. You're at the refrigerator now. So now you're checking for eggs and margarine and milk and juice and all those other essential things that you keep in your fridge. You have to see what you already have. Check the expiration dates. See if you'll be able to make it for another week or another month. Because I shop weekly. Some people shop weekly, some people shop monthly. So decide, you know, whatever's best for your family. Okay, the very last place that you go is to your pantry. Now, this is very important because canned goods can be duplicated really, really fast. I had 10 cans of green beans, so I know. Okay, this is what, yes, I had 10 cans. That was a long time ago, though. I'm much better. Seriously, you have to check how many canned goods you have, corn, beans, mixed vegetables, and all those things, because you don't want to keep buying the same thing over and over. So if you got 5 cans of green beans, okay, you don't need to buy no more. Okay, you got plenty of them. So what you do is decide what you need in your pantry. Do you need crackers? Do you need saltines? What canned goods do you need? These are the things that's in there. Do you need water? Are you stockpiling? whatever your situation is. Now, that's it. That's all you need to do to begin your meal planning. Some people go a step further and they plan their meals out for the week. Well, when you have families, that seems to be essential. When you have large families, it is necessary, okay? But for me, it's just me. I live alone. So I don't have to prepare meals like that, or I don't have to, stockpile, or I don't have to do this because I am a family of one. Now, so the next step is to check your flyer. You decide where you're going to go that week. Are you going to go to Winn-Dixie? Are you going to go to Publix? Are you going to go to Jewel's? Are you going to go to Aldi's? Depends on where you are in your neck of the woods. It changes weekly with me. Now, when I had my car, I mostly went to Aldi's because that's where I saved the most money. But remember, I use JTA, which is a service here in Jacksonville that get disabled veterans where they have to go. So you can't carry a whole bunch of bags on there, and they don't help with the bags. You have to get what you can carry. So I can't grocery shop on a JTA. Now, I have Lyft. I've never even been in an Uber, but whenever I talk about share rides, I always say Uber. I still ain't figured that out. So when I take a Lyft, I can take a Lyft and go to the grocery store, and get about 10 bags of stuff and that type of thing. So it's not, putting the driver out or anything like that. I can carry those. So what I try to do is get as much as I can when I first go. And sometimes I have used where you can call Instacart or Walmart and they will deliver. I'm not happy with that situation. I like to pick out my own stuff, and I don't save any money doing that because they have all kind of fees and it just doesn't work for me. So to each his own, do whatever works for you. So all you need is two things to meal plan, and that is a pen or a marker. I use color markers, which I use red a lot. I know it's my favorite. And then you pick the sale paper for whichever store that you're going to go for that week or that month. And you simply sit and decide what you need. So let's get started. Oh, red on the front, they got Tombstone. Look at, I haven't had one of those in a while. Let me show you. See right there? They have Tombstone pizza for $3.99. That's not bad because the regular price is about $5.99. And they have pepperoni. They have cheese. And they have sausage. So we're going to circle the Tombstone pizza. That is not a necessity, but it's in budget. It's in budget. Okay. All in my business. I'm just kidding. Okay, so we need some cheese. And this is the Sargento on the front. Now, let me explain. I'm going to circle the shredded cheese because I need the shredded cheese. Now, it's Sargento. I'm not going to buy Sargento. This is Winn-Dixie sale paper, so I'm going to get the S.E. Grocer brand. That's Winn-Dixie version of generic, and there's shredded cheese is just fine. But it will remind me that I need to get the cheese. Now, right here on the front, they have Sprite. So we're going to go ahead and circle the Sprite. As you know, 7-Up is my favorite, but what we'll do is we'll circle the Sprite. If we see the 7-Up, we'll get it. And they have Zephyr's water 3 for $11, so that'll be $3.70. Yeah, that'll be about $3.70 a piece. It ain't gonna get no. I always try to get water. You can never have too much water. Okay, potatoes on the front, they not on sale, but you know what? We still got potatoes left because we got a 10-pound bag of potatoes, and so we still got some left. The grapes $1.69. I only get fruit when it's on sale. Now, alternative is the fruit in the can. You got to do what you got to do. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, so we're going to circle this onion. I just need one onion because I can cut that onion up and use it. Oh my goodness, look how, one claw. That's right, one claw cluster. I'm gonna show you this because you're not gonna believe me. Look right here, see that? That's one claw. One cluster of crabs, $18.99. And you wonder why I ain't had crabs in so long. It's too expensive, way too expensive. Okay, they got the leg quarters. Those are not too bad, the price, but I don't really need that. Okay, we're gonna circle this orange juice. And this orange juice is Tropicana, but we're gonna get the SE Grocer brand. I can get a whole gallon for $3.99. Okay, and then this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna circle this tuna fish. Now this is Bumblebee tuna fish. It's a 5 for $5, so that means it's $1 a can. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got it for $2.99 a 4-pack the last time, but we'll circle the tuna fish because I like to have tuna fish in the house. Tuna fish is cheap, easy to make, easy to on the stomach, okay? And so we're gonna circle the tuna fish. We already have some Miracle Whip. We don't need rice. We don't need potatoes. We can make our own mashed potatoes. How much is these cucumbers? Nope. They got cabbage on sale for 59 cents. Now, I would get a cabbage, but the bacon is too expensive this week. I passed it already. I didn't even bring it up as I was going past it because it's $10, just about $10 a pack for bacon. And I make my cabbage with bacon. That's my choice. Different people use different meat, neck bones, whatever. You could put whatever kind of meat that you want in your cabbage. I prefer bacon. I like the flavor of it. And then, so when the bacon is really expensive like that, I don't even look at it. Now, I'll go to the store, and usually it's that really thin bacon that you fried it. It start like this, and then it wind up like this. It's not worth the money. So I try to get the thick kind when I do get it. So I make cabbage when I can get the bacon. Okay, so we're gonna get, well, okay, this is a whole bag of onions. See, we don't need a whole bag of onions because they go bad. I don't use them that much. I'm not a big onion fan, but I like the flavor of onion, so we're just gonna keep the one onion. And so they got a bag of apples. Is this a bag? Yep, they got a 3-pound bag of apples, red apples, okay, for $1.99. We're gonna circle that. Green are my favorite, but green ain't on sale, okay? Oranges are $5.99 a bag. They got cauliflower. Okay. Cucumbers. Okay, I don't see the salad yet, so let's just see if we can run into the salad, and if we do, we'll go back to that. Oh, they got a whole section for beer and alcohol. I tell you. Now, I see the Ritz crackers. We're going to go ahead and circle that because we're getting the tuna fish. And it say 2 for $6, but I get the smallest one. Let's see. I need some soy sauce. This is Worcestershire sauce. No, that's not what I need. And we're going to circle these Marismo noodles because when you don't have money and you're getting hungry at the end and you're looking for food, those noodles are $2 for a box of 12. You get them when you can and always have them in your pantry. Okay, so they got applesauce is $2.99. I don't think it's gonna get no better, and that's Mott. So we're gonna go ahead and circle this applesauce. It's the applesauce in a jar for $2.99. I like to get the little individual ones, but when I don't see them, if you can get them for about $1.99, I just go ahead and get those because it's easier. No, we don't need none of that. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Now this say Lego my Eggo. These are Eggo waffles for $2.59. Now, I've got them circled. But the SE Grocer mix waffles, and they're usually about $1.50. So I can save $1 if I get the generic version of the Eggo waffles. So I got them circled here, but I'll go to the freezer and I'll get the generic version of the waffles. Circling the Eggos in the sale paper simply reminds me that I have to get them. Okay, so I know what I got in my freezer for this week, and it looks like we got, okay, so they got frozen broccoli, and I already ate the broccoli I have, so we're going to circle the frozen broccoli. Now, vegetables this week are going to be corn, because we have the corn. We have green beans, that's another day. We have, I'm finna get the broccoli, that's another day, and we stretch it for the 7 days. So that's enough vegetables for the week. I can double them up. And we have rice, we have mashed potatoes, so we can, no, I'm not gonna do any macaroni this week. I'm a little macaronied out. Did I circle the orange juice? Yeah, I circled the orange juice. I didn't see the apple juice, but I need apple juice. I don't see it though. It's one more page. One more page, and maybe the apple juice will be on the back. Let's see what we got back here. Lots of alcohol, vitamins. They got tea, but we don't need any of that. Chips Ahoy cookies. Ooh, Frosted Flakes. Cereal is funny. You get the taste for it, but I don't know. Let me see. We're gonna get this. No, we don't need that. Pineapples. Nope, I don't see the apple juice. Okay, but there go the hot dogs. So we're gonna circle the hot dogs. Okay, and right next to the hot dogs is the hot dog bun. I'm gonna get the buns this week, and if I don't eat them, I'll put them in the freezer. And if I just want a hot dog, I'll take out a bun, close it up, and put it in the freezer. If not, it'll go bad. Now, I didn't see the apple juice, so whenever that happens, I right at the front, apple juice. And it reminds me that I have to get the apple juice. Okay, that's it. That's all we got for this week. You just do this, put it under your shoulder. You walk in that store and you get exactly what's on your list, nothing more. And then you can save money for yourself and your family on any given week. Okay, that's it. That's all I got for you today. It's time for us to breathe in and breathe out and get to the grocery store. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Ooh, we thank you, Father. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for worshiping with me. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I thank you for wherever you got to go today, to work, to school, to the bakery. Be happy, be joyful, and treat people with respect. It's the only way to live. So have a good day, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.